calculation. What is the use of Vedic math? Faster the calculation. It reduces the time. It saves the time and easy calculation. What? Easy calculation. Easy and correct calculation. How many sutras are in Vedic math? 16. What are the first suits? Ekadhikena purven. Ekadhikena purven. What is the meaning of ekadhikena purven? One more than the previous. One more than the previous. How many application of this ekadhikena purven? How many application? 3. First application is what? Tell me. Very good. First application is to find the square of a, note down, to find the square of number, note down, to find the square of number whose unit digit is 5. Whose unit digit is 5. Yes. Suppose you are to find the square of 35.
125.
What should be the answer?
125.
You see here the unit digit is 5. So a square of 5 is what? 25. Since we are using ekadhikena purven, so purven means this number, that is 3. What is 1 more than 3? 4. Multiply 4 by 3. That is 12. So this is the square of 35. So children, it reduce the time and the calculation is very fast. Yes, without pen and paper you can do the square. Suppose you are to find the square of 105. Yes, 105 square. If you go for it general calculation, it will take time. But if you have the concept of Vedic maths, you can solve without pen and paper. That is, 5 square is what? 25. 5 square is 25. And what is here? 10. What is 1 more than 10? 11. Multiply 11 with 10. That is 110. So simple. So you remember this formula. Whenever you have the opportunity to find the square of number whose unit digit is 5, you apply this method and find the calculation very easily. Suppose you are to find the square of 125. This is large number. It will take too much time in general maths. But if you have the idea of Vedic maths, you can find it easily. What is this? 25. 1 more than 12? 13. 13 multiplied by 12?
156.
156. So answer is very simple. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is the application of Vedic maths first sutra, that is ekadhikena. This is one application. Children, note down. And remember it, revise it, practice it. It will happen only your practice. If you don't practice, you forget this. So always you practice this. You have to find the square of such number whose unit digit is 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Suppose you are to find the square of one more application. You see 85 square. What is this? 85 square.
7225.
What is the square of 85? Yes. tell me.
7225.
Yes.
7225.
Very good. 7225. Now children, you do it faster. Don't multiply this is 25. You just see this number 8. 8 will be multiplied by 9. That is 72. And this will be 2. So very simple. Yes, you again do faster, that is 95 square. What is this? 9 multiplied by 10. That is 90. And 5 is 25. So simple. So this is the application of Ekadikena. Okay? Is it clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Now next application. To find the product of two numbers. To find the product of two numbers whose
Sum of unit digit
unit digit sum
is 10
is 10
and
and
rest digit are same.
rest digits are
Same.
and the rest digits are same. Very simple thing. You have to just notice it, how to find the product of two numbers whose unit digit is, sum of unit digit is 10 and rest digits are same. Suppose you are to multiply 73 and 77. Is this applicable in this formula? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
3 plus 7, what is this? 10. So sum of unit digit is 10 and rest digits are same. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So you multiply it, 7 into 3, 21, and here is 7. Again use the formula of Ekadikena. 1 more than 7, that is 8 multiplied by 7, that is
56.
so simple. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Let's see some more examples. Suppose you are to multiply 83 and 87. 83 and 87.
7 to 1.
Yes or no? So this is what? 21, 8 multiplied by 9. That is 72. So this is 722. You take another example for your. Suppose you are to find 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 7. Yes or no?
1 by 61.
This is 3 digits multiplication. It will take time by general calculation. But in easy way, what is the product? 12 multiplied by 13. What will be?
156.
So simple. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is very interesting. See how to find product of two numbers whose unit digit is, sum of unit digit is 10 and the rest digits are
Same.
91, 99. Yes.
9 0
909.
Stand up.
909.
9,
909.
9, 0,
9 0 9
0
9 0 0 9.
9009.
This is wrong. Children, always you have to write 2 digits. 9, 1, 10.
10.
Yes?
Yes.
So 9 into 1 what? 9.
Nine.
But you have to put 1
Zero.
so that it will be 2
Two.
digits. And then 9 multiplied by 10. That is?
90.
So this is the answer of 900. Yes? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the application of Ekadikena Purban to find the product of two numbers whose unit digits sum is 10 and rest digits are. Okay? Note down. Note it down. Next application. Next third application is, what is that application? What is the next application? Very good. To find the recurring decimals when unit digit of denominator is 9. This is the restriction of this method. Okay? How to find? To find the recurring decimals when unit digit of denominator is 9. Let's see. Suppose you are to find the recurring of 1 divided by 9. Yes. If you go for general calculation, it will be time taking. It will take too much time. But with the help of Vedic math, you can do it easily. Anyone have idea how to find? Anyone have idea how to find? No. So this method is applicable only because denominator has unit digit 9. So you can apply this method. Let's see how will you apply. Again it is the application of Ekadikena. 1 more than 19. That is what?
20.
Yes, you can write it very easily. 1 more than 19, that is
20.
Okay? And then we simplify this. This is what? 0.1 by 2. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
1 by 20. Can you write 0.1 by 2? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, after this, you put this digit here. Okay? This 1 will be here. And multiply this by this. Whatever is the denominator position. You multiply it. Go on multiplication till the digits are repeated. Okay? Now see. 2 multiplied by 1, that is
2.
very simple. 2 multiplied by 2, that is
4.
very simple. 2 multiplied by 4, that is
8.
very simple. 2 multiplied by 8, that is 16. Carry 1. 2 multiplied by 6, 12. And 1,
13.
carry 2 multiplied by 3, 6. And 1,
7.
okay? 2 multiplied by 7,
14.
14. Carry 2 multiplied by 4,
8.
and 1,
9.
very good. Yes? 2 multiplied by 9,
18.
18. Carry 1. 2 multiplied by 8,
16.
and 1,
17.
carry
1.
2 multiplied by 7,
14.
and 1,
15.
carry
1.
2 multiplied by 5,
10.
and 1,
11.
carry
1.
1. 2 multiplied by 1,
2.
and plus
3.
1. 3. 2 multiplied by 3,
6.
6. No carry. 2 multiplied by 6,
12.
carry.
1.
2 multiplied by 2,
4.
1,
5.
carry. No. 2 multiplied by 5,
10.
carry.
1.
2 multiplied by 0,
0.
and 1.
1.
You will go on repeat it. Yes. After this you find it repetition.
Yes, sir.
If you put here 1, then 2 multiplied by 1, you get 2. 2 multiplied by 2, that you will get 4. So from this you will getting repeated numbers. So you are stopped here. So this is your recurring place. Now count the digits. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That means denominator has 19. So it will repeat after 18. It will repeat after
18.
You are to find recurring of 1 by 7. Can you apply this?
No,
Yeah?
sir.
Is it applicable?
No, sir.
Think. What is the formula? When you apply, you will apply when the denominator has 9 as unit place. But here denominator is 7. So there is no 9. So can you create 9? Can you create 9? Yes, you can create 9 by multiplying.
7 by 7.
Okay, children? You have freedom in maths. You multiply and divide, add and subtract. है ना? So this is what? 7 by
49.
Now see, it becomes 9 in the unit place. Yes or no?
Yes,
It becomes 9 in the unit place. And what is the method? Increase 1 here. So this is what? 7 by 50. Yes? After this is what? 0.7 divided by
5.
what is the rule? What is the rule? Put this number here, this 7, and go on multiplication with 5. 5 into 7, 35. 5 carry 3. 5 into 5, 25 and 3, 8 carry 2. 5 into 8,
40.
and 2
42.
carry
4.
5 into 2,
10.
10 plus
14.
14 carry 5 into 4
20.
and 1
21.
carry
2.
5 into 1
5.
and 2
7.
repetition is allowed. It is repeating. So this is 0 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The number has 7 digits, so it will repeat after 6. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
So these are the 3 beautiful application of Ekadikena. What are the? I am again repeating it. First application is what?
To find the
To find the square of any number. A digit is 5. To find the product of 2 numbers. The sum of the digit is 10 and rest digits are
same.
and again
To find the recurring decimal when
find the recurring decimal when the denominator has 9 in the
Unit digit.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Note down. Similarly, you bring decimal by 1 by 23. Yes or no? Again here there is no 9, but you can create it by multiplying
3.
3. Multiplying by
3 by 3.
so this is 3 and this is what? 3 by 16.
69.
Yes? The method will be what? 3 by what? 70. This is what?
0.3 by 7.
You put these 3 here and multiply by 7 till the digits are okay, children? So you can remember this Ekadikena. Charmam. Dasata. Means what it means? Nikhilam Natas Charmam. What is the meaning? All from 9 and last from 10. Meaning is what? Note down. All from 9 and last from 10. All from 9 and last from
10.
This is called Nikhilam Nautas Charmam. Okay? What is the application? Suppose you have to subtract like this. How to do easily? All from 9 and last from
10.
So take it as 10. Take this 0 as
10.
and these zeros are
9.
yes? 10 minus 5 is what?
5.
This is 5.
5, 6, 7, 4.
Very simple, very fast. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
सब्ट्रैक्ट भी नहीं करना, आपको क्या करना है 5 किससे जोड़ेंगे 10 होगा 5 से, किससे जोड़ेंगे 9 होगा 5 से, किससे जोड़ेंगे 9 होगा 6 से, किससे जोड़ेंगे 7 होगा 9 होगा 7 से, किससे जोड़ेंगे 5 होगा 9 होगा. Very fast. Yes or no? So this is very simple and useful application, that is Nikhilam Nautas Charmam Dasata. Nikhilam Nautas Charmam Dasata. Note down. Nikhilam in loud voice. Again.
Nikilam nautas charmam dasata.
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 And first sutra.
Ekadikayen kurven.
Again.
Ekadikayen kurven.
Again.
Ekadikayen kurven.
Okay. Have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Now the third one. Third sutra is
ऊर्ध्व त्रियाग्राम
Urdhva
त्रियाग्राम
Yam. Very useful sutra. Urdhva
त्रियाग्राम
Tiryak Yam. What does it mean? Urdhva Tiryak Yam. Urdhva Tiryak Yam. Recite it. Urdhva. Again. Again. Not voice. Again. 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 Loud voice. 5 times. Yes. What it means? Vertical and cross. Vertical and
क्रॉस
cross. Meaning is vertical and cross. Children, this sutra has wide application in multiplication. Multiplication of 2-digit numbers, multiplication of 3-digit numbers, multiplication of 4-digit number, and so on. Let us see. First, suppose you are to multiply 2, 3 into 5, 4. You can multiply any methods by this sutra. You can multiply by any numbers using this sutra. Just see what is the rule. Vertical and cross. Vertical means this is vertical. Yes, and cross means this. Yes or no? Yes. So first you multiply 4 into 3, that is 12. Carry 1. See properly. 4 into 2, 8. Yes. And 5 into 3,
15.
8 plus 15,
23.
and 1,
24.
carry
2.
2. 5 into 2,
10.
and 2.
12.
So simple. This is called one line multiplication, one line mental multiplication. One line mental multiplication. No need to write 2 steps and then 8. Very simple. You multiply one thing. 53 into 65.
5.
Yes. See more examples. 53 into 65. What is the method? 5 into 3,
15.
yes. 5 carry 1. 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 3, 18. 43 and 1, 44. Carry 4. 6 into 5,
30.
30 and 4.
34.
Very simple. So what is the rule? See the how many steps you have to go. See the dot diagram. In first step, you have to multiply this with this. In the first step, you have to multiply this with this. In the second step, you have to multiply cross. like this and this. And in the third step, you have to do this. So, following these steps, you can find the multiplication very easily. Yes? Note down. Not 3 digits, just 3. Multiplication of 3 digits. Suppose you have to multiply 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 2. If you multiply in general methods, it will take too much time? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But using this sutra, you can multiply it very easily. First, 2 into 5, that is
10.
carry 1. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Then multiply this to this. 2 into 3, 6. And 6 into 5, 30. 30 plus 6.
36.
And 1.
37.
Carry
3.
2 into 2,
4.
4 into 5,
20.
and 4.
24.
And 6 into 3,
18.
24 plus 18,
42.
42. 42 and 3,
45.
5. Carry
4.
6 into 2,
12.
4 into 3,
12.
24.
24.
And 4,
28.
8. Carry
2.
4 into 2
8.
and 2.
10.
Very simple. One line multiplication. One line mental multiplication.
Multiplication.
Otherwise, you have to multiply with this, write one line, then multiply with this, write one line, then multiply with this, write one line, and then sum up all. It will take too much time, and if there is an error multiplication, you will get wrong answer. Yes. So following this method, you can find the calculation very easily. Now children, see the steps. What are the steps? 3 by 3. First step, you have to remember this step only. This multiplied by this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Second में, in second, this multiplied by this. Yes. In third, this multiplied by this, and this multiplied by this. Okay? And fourth, this multiplied by this multiplied by this. And fifth, this multiplied by this. So it will take 5 steps. How many steps?
5.
Yes? In first you have seen 2 into 2 minus 1. That is 3 steps. While you multiply 2-digit number, it will 3 steps. While you multiply 3 digits, then 3 into 2 minus 1. That is 5 steps. If you have multiplied 4 digits, how many steps? 7 steps. It will take 7 steps. And 5 digits, then 9 steps. So children, these are the steps which you have to remember, and I think it is very useful and very important rules for multiplication. While doing some questions, you will find this type of multiplication, and if you have idea, you can find easily in one line. And this is called one line mental multiplication. Mental multiplication. Why its name is mental multiplication? Because no need of pen and paper. You can easily multiply with the help of your brain. By seeing the question, you can multiply it. So this is very useful formula that is called Urdhva Triyagram. What is this?
Urdhva Triyagram.
Recite 5 times.
Urdhva Triyagram. Urdhva Triyagram. Urdhva Triyagram. Urdhva Triyagram. Urdhva Triyagram.
Urdhva
Triyagram.
Yes. So here you have seen we are multiplying 3 digits with 3 digits. Can we multiply? Can you apply this formula? Multiplying 3 digits with 2 digits?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How?
Sir, by
Suppose
making
3, 2, 5 and 2, 5. Can you apply this form?
Yes.
Yes, you can apply by making it 3 digit.
3 digit.
By putting 1 0. You can find it. Children, you can do one question. Check yourself. Check it. Check it by your own. Do it fast. What is the answer? 36685. Let's check. 5 into 3, carry 1. 3 into 4,
12,
and 5 into 5,
25,
12 into 12 plus 15, 37, and 1,
38,
carry
3,
3 into 1,
3,
2 into 5,
10,
and 4 into 5, 20.
20,
How much? 3 into 1, 3, 5 into 10, 13, and this is 20. 33 and 3,
36,
carry
3,
5 into 1,
5,
2 into 4,
8,
5 plus 8,
13,
13 and 3,
16,
16. Carry
1,
2 into 1,
2,
and 1.
3.
Very good. This is the correct. Okay, children? So I think you understood this Urdhva Tiryag. Very important. Pravartya. Pravartya.
Yogyet.
Yogyet. Yes. Pravartya. Yogyet. What it means?
Adjust and transpose.
Transpose
And adjust.
and adjust. Pravartya Yogyet. Recite it 5 times. Loud voice. Loud voice. Again recite all 4 sutras from first to fourth. 5 times.
एकाधिकेन पूर्वेन एकाधिकेन पूर्वेन एकाधिकेन पूर्वेन एकाधिकेन पूर्वेन एकाधिकेन पूर्वेन निखिलं नवतः चर्मं दशत 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 ऊर्ध्वक्रियाभ्याम् 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 प्रावर्तयोज्येत 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 प्रावर्तयोज्येत.
It has a beautiful application to make magic square. What?
Magic square.
Magic square. Suppose you are to make 5 into 5 grid. Yes? 5 into 5 grid. Yes? 5 into 5 grid. Now fill the numbers. Fill the numbers from 1 to 25 so that from each side total sum is what? Same. From where you start?
From the middle portion.
Either you start from this or from this
This.
or from this or from
This.
start filling this position. This is your
1,
and you have to move in which direction?
Diagonally.
Southeast direction. In which direction?
Southeast.
This is the north. This is the
South.
This is the
East.
and this is the west. So you have to move in this direction. Always. Yes?
Yes,
If there is vacant place, you fill the digit. If there is no vacant place, then shift in the left corner. Yes? This is the rule. 1. After this one, where you have to move? This position? And this position has no vacant place. So where you have to go?
left corner.
This is
2.
yes. After this position, you have to move here.
3.
3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
After this, you have to move in this way. But there is no vacant place, so you have to shift here.
4.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
After this, 5. Now see here, 5. After 5, this is this place,
Occupied.
but it is already occupied. So you have to sit in the adjacent position. So this is
6.
okay. After 6, you have to shift here. 7. Yes. After 7, this is 8. After 8, this is
9.
but no vacant place, so you have to shift here 9. Okay? After 9, you have to shift here, but there is no place, so shift here 10. After 10, here is this, but here is no vacant place, so you have to
11.
shift in the adjacent position. Okay, children? After this is 12, and this is 13, this is 14, this is
15.
yes. In place 15, there is no situation, no vacant place, so you have to sit in the adjacent position. That is 16. After 16, you have to move in this direction, but no place is here, so you have to shift here.
17.
After 17, you have to shift here, but no vacant places, so you have to shift.
18.
After 18, it is 19, and this is 20. Yes. Again, after 20, this is, but here, no position, yes, so you have to sit here. After 21, this is 20, okay. After 22, you have to sit here, but no vacant places, so this is 20. After 23, it is here, 20. After 24, it is 25, no situation is there, so this is. So in this way, you children see, all the vacant places have been filled. Now check whether it is true or not. How it will be true? By adding all the along this horizontal wedge, along vertical wedge, along diagonally, and see where every way sum is same or not. What is the sum? 1, 4, 5, 3, 8, 7, 15, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, 1, 6. 65. Here, 7, 4, 11, 12, 20, 25, 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 1, 6. 5, 4, 9, 9, 3, 12, 12, 2, 14, 1, 15. 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes? So in Mudra 5 times. Loud voice.
एकाधिकेन पूर्वेन एकाधिकेन पूर्वेन एकाधिकेन पूर्वेन निखिलं नवतस्य मन्दस्ता निखिलं नवतस्य मन्दस्ता निखिलं नवतस्य मन्दस्ता निखिलं नवतस्य मन्दस्ता ऊर्ध्वक्रियाभ्याम् ऊर्ध्वक्रियाभ्याम् ऊर्ध्वक्रियाभ्याम्
ऊर्ध्वक्रियाभ्याम्
ऊर्ध्वक्रियाभ्याम् ऊर्ध्वक्रियाभ्याम् परावर्तियोजेत् 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 परावर्तियोजेत्
Very good.